Momen AI is the newest tool to hit the market, and if you're considering using it, there are 7 crucial things you need to know before diving in. This software has just been released, and I'm going to break down everything you need to understand about it so you can decide if it's right for you. First off, Momen AI is designed to streamline your workflow by automating tasks that would otherwise take up a lot of your time. Whether you're in content creation, digital marketing, or any kind of online business, Momen promises to make your day-to-day activities more efficient. I'll give you the lowdown on how it works and why you should care about it. What makes Momen different from other AI tools? For starters, it's built around a user-friendly interface that allows you to get up and running without needing any special technical skills. It's one of the few AI tools that prioritize accessibility for all kinds of users, no matter how much experience you have. Plus, it integrates well with other popular tools, which makes the setup and daily use a lot smoother. Now let's talk about its core features. One standout is its ability to generate content quickly and accurately. Whether you're drafting emails, creating marketing copy, or building social media posts, Momen uses advanced language processing to generate high-quality output in seconds. This is especially useful if you're working under tight deadlines or just need to create content at scale without compromising quality. Another big feature that sets Momen apart is its automation. You can automate repetitive tasks like customer support responses, follow-up emails, and even data entry. This can save you hours each week. Plus, if you're managing multiple clients or projects, you'll appreciate the built-in project management tools that let you track and delegate tasks seamlessly. What's also great is Moment's AI is designed to learn and adapt over time, improving its responses based on your usage patterns. So, the more you use it, the smarter it gets, which means your productivity should increase even more as you go. Now, let's touch on pricing. While it's still new, Momen offers an incredible value for what it delivers. You can try it completely free, which means no upfront commitment, so you get to test the software and see if it's a good fit for your needs without spending a penny. I'll leave the link in the description below so you can check it out. One thing to keep in mind is that Momen is still evolving. While it has a lot of powerful features, there are some minor bugs that come with any new software. That said, the developers are consistently updating it, and they've already rolled out a few patches to address early user feedback. Now, to sum it up, Momen AI is one of the best just released tools I've seen for people who need automation and efficiency without the steep learning curve. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, it has the flexibility and power to boost your productivity. If you're interested, you can try Momen AI completely free from the link in the description. I've tested thousands of AI software tools, and Momen is certainly one of the more promising ones to hit the market. Lastly, I've got a list of my recommended AI tools, which you can try for free after testing Momen AI. These are tools I trust, having used them extensively in digital marketing, and they can take your business or project to the next level. Check them out below, and I'll catch you in the next video.